Mountain View Garage is Denver's largest independent auto garage and has been repairing domestic and imported vehicles for over 30 years. Our ASC certified technicians perform every mechanical service from simple oil changes and alignments to advanced electrical and electronic diagnostics, as well as full engine replacements. As a Napa Auto Care Center, we offer the nationwide 12-month, 12,000-mile peace of mind warranty. Additionally, we are an authorized Bosch Service Center and an accredited member of the Better Business Bureau and members of the Metro North Chamber of Commerce. Our clients enjoy a wide range of amenities, including free shuttle service, comfortable waiting area with free Wi-Fi, complimentary coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, a loaner car, low rental car rates, early bird drop-off, and after-hours pickup. Lastly, both our private and fleet clients enjoy knowing that should their vehicle remain overnight at Mountain View Garage, all vehicles are parked inside our spacious facility, protecting their investment from the elements. We invite you to visit Mountain View Garage and enjoy our transparency and hospitality.